easy fall arrangement in a vase, one of the first things you learn. Designing it in a shallower bowl, a little trickier. Let me show you how it's done. The mechanics, simply a ceramic vase filled with freshwater flower food, nothing else. The mechanics to support the flowers, it's all going to be in foliage. We'll be using variegated pittosporum and Israeli ruscus to fill in and create a nest. Starting with the variegated pittosporum, it has a wonderful growth format that lends itself to just dropping it into the vessel, letting it sit, and then starting the weave. Use larger pieces, smaller pieces, break it apart, and then just set it down in. And each stem that you place starts supporting the others so that it will all work as a finished design. That weave is what holds all the flowers in place when you're done. The secret to stability is to start low and tuck deeply, because each time you do that, you'll be supporting the next stem. So placing the Lisianthus at a strong angle, deeply at the sides, and then repeat that, but not even trying to go up towards the center. Focusing on these outer edges, because as you do this, again, you're expanding that weave, which will support the other blossoms. Skipping the center, moving on to another variety, the dahlias. Tucking them in, again low, strong angle. And the zinnias, angling them out. And fill the outer edges before you move on. With the outer edges in place, now you can go back and fill in towards the center so you draw the color inward. And you can see now that the weave is strong, it holds them in place. You can even come back, add in a line flower. Snapdragons are wonderful. Letting them come up a little taller. Finding the perfect hole. And even a Lisianthus or two. Letting it come up through the center, drawing that yellow towards the top. The recipe, I started with a vase of variegated pittosporum and Israeli ruscus. Then I used 10 zinnias, 3 of the Lisianthus cut apart, 5 dahlias, and 5 snapdragons. Yes, we titled this easy, and it is, but it does take practice. Just remember, start at the bottom. You'll find more creative inspiration and instruction on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. Find a vessel, find your favorite flowers, design away. Then take a picture and post it on social media. Hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.